had to make disco fries. They're from New Jersey. Let me get this sprayed up. Okay, the fries won't stick now. So I'm gonna crisp up some fries in the oven, and I really prefer to use frozen fries because I want the fries to be nice and crisp. And you want the nice, thick steak fries. You want a lot of surface area for the gravy and the cheese. I wanna make sure it's all one even layer. We wanna give the top a spray too so they get nice and crispy. Okay, a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. There we go, into the oven. So those are gonna go in at 425 for about 20 to 30 minutes. I am known in my household as the person they go to always to make the gravy. Not because I'm a brilliant gravy maker, but because they like to make fun of me because once in my life, I used powdered sugar instead of flour. And I have not heard the end of it, and I don't think that's fair. Let's get the pan heated up. Get a couple tablespoons of butter melted. So basically, we're just gonna make a little roux, a thickener, 3 tablespoons of flour. Disco fries. So how it got the name disco fries? Remember the 70s, for those of you that were alive in the 70s? Very big on disco. Everybody would go out dancing. When they closed down the clubs, everyone would go to diners and they would want something to eat and they would ask for fries covered in gravy and cheese. So that became disco fries. All right, I'm gonna get some seasoning in here. Just a half a teaspoon each. Paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. It's gonna be some flavorful gravy. Now, time for some beef broth. Cup and a half, and the broth goes. So you wanna just try and get all the lumps and bumps out before we add the cream. And we're gonna get this up to a nice simmer so it really bubbles up. It's getting glossy and thicker. All right, I am going to add a little bit of cream. Just a couple tablespoons. This is really to make it nice and creamy. Okay, I'm gonna turn that down. That's gorgeous, and it's just gonna thicken up as it sits here. This, a little mozzarella cheese on those fries, disco fries. We'll go dancing. Okay, this gravy is gorge. I think it's time for the cheese on the disco fries. Yes, they look nice and crispy. So it's time to get a little mozzarella on there. What we wanna do is melt all the cheese, get them nice and cheesy, and then we're gonna put them in little baskets and drizzle that gravy that I made earlier all over. And I've got some nice thickly grated mozzarella. You want cheesy, cheesy fries. It's sort of like nachos, but with fries. Okay, back in the oven.
So what do you got there?
Cheese-covered fries.
Nice.
Because that's how we do fries in this house. Okay. I also made gravy to go on top of them.
Oh, nice. Smells good.
Yeah, look at that.
Gooey, cheesy fries.
You like cheesy fries, Enzo? Mm-hmm. Good. Ooh, that's a nice cheesy one. Look at that, Enzo. Should that be yours? Mm-hmm. Okay, Enzo, you wanna come over here and help me? I'm gonna put a little gravy on these. You can help me bring them to the table.
They look delicious.
They smell good.
Then we got the gravy, goes right over. Order up. Thank you, Enzo.
You're welcome.
Thanks, dude.
You don't have to wait for me.
All right, we won't.
Oh, that's just so decadent.
Heaven.